To see the analysis of your buckets, navigate to the Plan tab. The heat map shows your bucket's data usage by access time, so you can easily identify cold data. Komprise also provides 3-year forecasts for cloud spend based on pricing from your AWS accounts and data growth to give you visibility for planning ahead. In the heat map, the colder the data, the deeper blue it is. You can see that most of the data in this example hasn't been accessed in a month or more, and over 40% hasn't been accessed in more than 3 months. The cold data is a good candidate to archive to cheaper classes to save on storage costs. To archive the data, I configure the policies that I want, and Komprise shows my projected savings based on my actual Amazon costs, not generic costs. Of course, we're seeing a small amount of savings since we only have one small bucket in the plan. Further, Komprise helps you understand your data usage patterns by storage cost, by space consumed, and by number of objects. You can also slice and dice your data by owner, by object type, and by many other dimensions. You can even see whether cold data is sitting in expensive storage classes, or if hot data is sitting in low performance storage classes. Komprise enables you to view these cost, growth, and savings projections across all your data, or just for specific groups of accounts and buckets to help you manage individual business units' data.